First we're opening the color of silver, and the next one is light green color, purple color, red color, light pink color, orange color, white color, brown color, blue color. The next one is dark green color, black color exactly, dark pink color, yellow color, sky blue color. Stay with us. Now we're writing alphabets A to Z. Sky blue color.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
The next one is
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
D for dog,
T,
E
U,
for egg,
V,
E for elephant,
W,
F for fish, F for
X,
fan,
Y, and
G
Z.
for
Now
car.
I know my
Yellow color,
ABCs.
exactly.
Next
Now
time,
we're
won't
writing the alphabet
you
of
sing
H.
with me?
I, J, K, L, L for lion, L for lemon, M for moon, M for mango, N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. Light green color, exactly. The alphabet of O. P, Q, R, S for snake, T, U for umbrella. The next one is V. Now we're using the color of purple. V for van, W, X, Y, and the last one is green color. Kids, the next one is deep olive green color, yellow color. The next one is pale blue light color, castle pink color, vivid purple color. Stay with us. Raw silk color, The next one is cream color, emerald green color, coral red color. The next one is warm gray color, and the next one is lavender color. Lavender color. Stay with us. First we're using the color of warm gray and writing the alphabet of A. A for apple, A. B for ball, C for cow, C for cat, C, dog, D for dog, E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabet of E. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Stay with us. G for gorilla, G. H for hand, H. I for ice, I for ice cream, I. J for jackfruit, J. Kids, the next one is K. K for kite. The next one is L. Exactly. L for lemon, L for lion, M for moon, M for mango, M. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for orange, P for penguin. The next one is Q. Q for queen. The last one is R for rose, R for ripe. First we're beginning the colors. Scarlet color, pastel pink color, geranium color, Persian blue color, forest green color, like violet color. The next one is cool gray color. Stay with us. Black color, yellow color, exactly, yellow color, rose big color. Kids, the next one is mint blue color, and the last one is baby blue color. Now we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. Pastel pink color. Now we're writing the alphabet of A. A for apple, A. B for ball, B. C for cat, C. D for dog, D. E for elephant, D. The next one is F. F for fish, F. The next one is G. G for God, G. Forest green color, H for hand, H. I for eyes, I. J for jackfruit, J. K for kite, K. L for lemon, L for lion, L. M for moon, M for mango, M. N for nose, N for nest, N. Kids, the next one is O. Rose big color, O for octopus, O. P for penguin, P. Q for queen, Q. R for rose, R for rice, R. S for sun, S for snake. T for teacher, T. U for umbrella, U. Black color. Now we draw the alphabet of V. V for van, V for vanilla, V. W, X, Y, And the last one is purple color, dark green color, dark pink color, sky blue color, red color, brown color, yellow color, light green color. The next one is silver color, orange color, black color, white color, blue color, and the last one is light pink color. Stay with us. We will be writing capital letter alphabet A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F. If the next one is G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. The next one is Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Now we're writing alphabets. First we're using the color of silver and writing the alphabet of A. Stay with us. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball. C. C for cow, C for cat. D. D for dog, D for doll. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. The next one is H. Stay with us. H for hand. Now we're writing the alphabet of I. Orange color. Now we're using the color of orange and writing I. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. Now we're writing the alphabet of K. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. M. N for nose, N for nest, kids. The next one is O. The next one is P. P for penguin. Stay with us. Brown color. Now we're using the color of brown. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. The next one is X, Y. The last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.